Prophet Ebuka Obimma abụrụ na arrange. Yes, Prophet Ebuka Obimma abụrụ na arrange. And me kwusi ike. Because I don't see the reason me get me put online. I feel an post. Okay, let me tell you people. If this girl na funa or claim run and Loveth, after his real name Loveth, why for the proper investigation? Catch that na after that girl Loveth. Mgbe ase wote BVN ya, utena ya, o wote obona the name ya Loveth. His real name Loveth. O make Loveth is ma attached to his name. What can happen? Because this lady nafu, nye that testimony that's not go on no it's not 400 million. That's not go 200 million or 200 million. The real name Loveth. That lady was paid in order to put down Prophet Ebuka ministry. But I got work Korea. It will never work for her. Yes, that lady was paid. Because Oga for proper investigation. I thought that girl, that is real name Loveth. But somebody paid him in order to put down Prophet Ebuka ministry. Yes, it will never be possible. It will never be possible. Prophet Ebuka, his ministry will never go down. Onye brave Ebuka. If I say mad, onye brave Ebuka. Mara Kobi no akwo go can you yourself. Egon can you capable no or cheap put than someone ministry. But man, not possible. Not possible at all. Onye brave Ebuka. Onye brave Ebuka. So people put no because of everything change no it just no a rush here. Keep any that testimony at church. Keep any that testimony at church in order to put down Prophet Ebuka ministry. Prophet Ebuka will never go down. Yes, I'm saying this. Pediarity. Prophet Ebuka will never go down. Onye brave Ebuka. Onye brave Ebuka. He will never go down again. Aputa Christian anakoto Christian ibe. Haputa a Christian when boro nwe nwa Chineke early morning on Sunday for market okwado gbara agaba church. But haputa no ana ekwu against church also. Although my it's not good at all. As a believer, you don't supposed to be doing such thing. Ekwesi gonna that type of hatred gonna deal within ourselves. Early morning man agba church. It's a these people na post if na fancy name with church anaga. Fancy name with church anaga. Happen no and ekwu against Christianity. For what reason? For what reason go it like that? A Christian put on cause Christian it's not good. It's unfair. It's unfair. Yes. I'm saying it. It's unfair. Christian go say no. Man go see Christian ibe. That is unfair. Onye brave Ebuka, Prophet Ebuka will never go down again. It will never go down. All the impossible. Prophet Ebuka carry go. I'm not a Zionite, but I love that ministry. I love your preaching. I love your administration. Carry go. Nobody will pull you down.